How to know if someone is online on Messenger. So all you have to do is to go directly here to your Messenger section, and you will be definitely directed to your chat section. So basically you will see all the chats, the conversation you had with all the people you've just messaged. Now here, as you can see on the upper part, you will see the person there, Roxanne Rexana. There's a green dot under her name. Now there you will see a green dot. That means that person is online and is active. Now there are actually others who are online, but you cannot see the green light. It's because here, go to your settings section, go to your privacy section, safety. They have turned off their active status here. As you can see, you have turned on your active status, so you can actually see also the people that are actually online. So you have to, if that is turned off, you cannot see their activity too, or they are also online, so you have to turn that on and to show you're active, so your friends and connections can see when you're active or recently active on this profile. And of course, if you turn on show when you're active together, so your friends and connections can see when you're both active. Now if that's turned on, then that means this person, Roxanne Rexon, is also online. So are you. So basically, that is how to know if someone is online on Messenger. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.